when one of Ferrari's most powerful V12 machines meets the world's most demanding racetrack. You get the Ferrari F12 on the Nürburgring. And trust me, it's a combination that will blow your mind. This isn't just a fast car, it's a symphony of speed, sound, and precision. The F12 Berlinetta may look elegant, but under the hood, it's a wild animal. With over 730 horsepower and a screaming, naturally aspirated engine, it was built for moments like these. Today, we're diving into what makes the Ferrari F12 so special on the green hell. Why do drivers chase lap times here? What's the magic of pairing a road car with this 13-mile track? And how does the F12 handle the curves, elevation changes, and flat-out straights? If you love speed, history, and high-performance machines, this is for you. Stick around. It's going to be a ride. If you're into cars, racing, or even just insane engineering, you're going to want to see this. We're breaking down the performance of the Ferrari F12 on the Nürburgring in detail, from how it sounds echoing off the forested walls to how it handles the tight corners of at an hour forced. We'll cover the specs, the numbers, and the field time, because that's what makes the F12 special. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's wildest performance cars. Whether you're a Ferrari fan or just love the Nürburgring, this video has something for you. And don't forget to drop a comment. Would you dare take an F12 around the ring? Or is this a car you'd rather keep safe in the garage? Let's find out why this beast is a favorite among track junkies and collectors alike. Alright, let's jump in. The Ferrari F12 Berlinetta was introduced in 2012 as the successor to the 599 GTB. It's got a 6.3-liter V12 engine up front, delivering an insane 730 horsepower to the rear wheels. This isn't just brute power, it's Ferrari's racing DNA, distilled into a front-engine Grand Tourer. It goes from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, and its top speed, around 211 mph. But here's where things get interesting. It's not a track car by design. It's a luxury performance coupe, meant for high-speed road cruising. Yet, people can't help but take it to the Nürburgring. Why? Because it handles so well for its size. Ferrari's clever tech, like active aerodynamics and magnetic dampers, keeps it glued to the tarmac. And that V12 soundtrack? Unreal. The Nürburgring is like a proving ground for car makers and enthusiasts alike. It's long, over 20 kilometers or about 13 miles, and includes 154 turns. The elevation changes are dramatic. The corners are blind and mistakes can be costly. Nicknamed the Green Hell, it's where legends are made. A fast lap here means a car is truly world-class. And for drivers, it's the ultimate test of courage and control. The F12's front-engine layout might seem like a disadvantage on such a technical track, but Ferrari's engineers built this thing with balance and agility in mind. When you see it attack corners like Flugplatz or the carousel, you realize this car means business. Even though it weighs over 2,500 kilos, it moves with surprising precision. Let's talk about what it feels like to ride on board an F12 at the Nürburgring. First off, the sound inside the cabin is pure theater. The V12 howls like a beast all the way to 8,700 RPM. As you accelerate down Döttinger Höhe, the car stretches its legs like it was born for this. The brakes? Massive carbon ceramics that scrub speed instantly. But the real fun starts in the technical sections. Through the twists and turns, the car stays planted, agile, and insanely responsive. The steering gives excellent feedback, so you feel connected to every inch of the track. It's not twitchy like a mid-engine car. It's composed, even forgiving. But make no mistake, this is still a 730 HP monster. Treat it wrong, and it'll bite back. Now, let's get to the numbers. While Ferrari never released an official Nürburgring lap time for the F12, independent drivers and reviewers have clocked laps in the low 7-minute range. That's supercar territory. To put it in perspective, that's faster than the Lamborghini, Murcielago, Porsche 911 Turbo, and even Ferrari's own Enzo in some hands. And this car isn't stripped for racing. It's full of leather, comfort features, and even a usable trunk. That's what makes it impressive. You can take it from a high-end dinner straight to the world's deadliest racetrack. It might not be the most optimized car for the ring, but it's one of the most thrilling. The thrill lies in its balance of beauty and brutality. Watching it tear through the track is pure automotive art. Driving an F12 at the ring is not for beginners. It demands respect. With rear-wheel drive and no forced induction, the power delivery is immediate and raw. You have to modulate the throttle carefully, especially out of tight corners like Versifen. The traction control system is brilliant, but turn it off, and you're on your own. It becomes a game of patience and precision. That's why seasoned drivers love this car. It rewards skill, and if you push it too hard, it lets you know. But when you nail a section, like flying through Kesselchen or attacking Bergwerk, the feeling is pure magic. It's a dance between man and machine. There's something emotional about the F12 that stats don't capture. Maybe it's the scream of the V12 bouncing off the trees, or maybe it's the fact that cars like this are becoming rarer in the era of turbocharging and hybrids. The F12 is one of the last great naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris, and on a track like the Nürburgring, that legacy shines. It's not just about going fast, and it's about feeling every part of the journey. The roar, the rush, the danger, the control. It's overwhelming in the best way. For many, driving here is a bucket list item. For a lucky few, doing it in an F12, that's the dream. And the Nürburgring makes that dream come alive. So, should you take an F12 to the Nürburgring? Absolutely. If you've got the skills and the nerve. Is it the fastest car on the track? No, but it's one of the most satisfying. Can it compete with modern hypercars? In raw lap times, maybe not, but in experience, thrill, and engagement, 100%. What do drivers say about it? Most call it unforgettable. Fans line up at corners just to hear it pass. Photographers wait hours to snap one flying through a turn. It's that kind of car. Do you need to own one to appreciate it? Not at all. Just hearing it or seeing it at the Nürburgring is enough to understand its legend. The Ferrari F12 on the Nürburgring isn't just a car on a track. It's a love letter to performance. It blends old-school V12 power with modern handling finesse. It demands respect, skill, and courage, but in return, it offers one of the greatest driving experiences possible. That's why people talk about it. That's why videos of it go viral. And that's why the Nürburgring is still the ultimate place to see what a car and a driver are really made of. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button. Subscribe for more motorsport stories, car spotlights, and real racing insights. And tell me in the comments, if you had one lap at the Nürburgring, would you choose the F12? What happens when one of Ferrari's most powerful V12 machines meets the world's most demanding racetrack? You get the Ferrari F12 on the Nürburgring. And trust me, it's a combination that will blow your mind. This isn't just a fast car, it's a symphony of speed, sound, and precision. The F12 Berlinetta may look elegant, but under the hood, it's a wild animal. With over 730 horsepower and a screaming, naturally aspirated engine, it was built for moments like these. Today, we're diving into what makes the Ferrari F12 so special on the green hell. Why do drivers chase lap times here? What's the magic of pairing a road car with this 13-mile track? And how does the F12 handle the curves, elevation changes, and flat-out straights? If you love speed, history, and high-performance machines, this is for you. Stick around. It's going to be a ride. If you're into cars, racing, or even just insane engineering,